CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 1.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 404. End of transmission.
CSX Q249-20 West Clear Randolph Road in Montrose 3133 out.
Q249. 404 axles. That ain't bad.
CSX PC French Bomber Ranting, over. Alpha, go ahead. 274 Coffins releasing WS Allenville, WS Riverdale. Mr. Rockford is clear your left as well, is that correct there?
Hey guys.
Sure, release 1503, 1503 hours DCR.
I got a question for you. You guys want me to stay right there? I can.
Sure, thank you.
Or right here. I don't care which. You guys tell me. I can go either way. I can go either one. Right there or right here. Either one or two I can choose. Alright, so anyway, besides that, hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing fine. So far so good. This is yeah, brain fart. Decent sized train. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, guys, if you guys want me to be right there or right here for these trains, it's up to you guys. I can go either way. Alright guys, hope you guys have a good day. I will try to get more trains today if I can. If not, I'll try tomorrow. Alright guys, peace.